Hi, boys and girls. Our lesson today is called Mapping Our Classroom. At the end of this lesson, we will get to make a map of a classroom. Let's get started. Our learning target says we can make a map of our classroom and include the most important locations. Mapping Places by Karen Jones. A map is a picture of a place. Maps show us where to find places or things. Maps can show outdoor places like streets, mountains, and oceans. They can also show the inside of places like hospitals, malls, or even houses. Most buildings have maps made to show people where to find places inside or how to escape in case of an emergency. We can make a map of just about any place. You can make a map of your house or even just your bedroom. You can make a map of an entire school or even just your classroom. You can make a map of a playground or a park. Many maps tell what certain pictures on the map stand for. This is called a map key. The key shows what certain pictures on the map mean. Can you find all of these places? So here is the key, and they want us to see if you can find a building. Well, there's quite a few buildings over here, and there's some over here. How about some grass? Do you see any grass, boys and girls? There's a lot of grass in the green areas, right? How about these little tiny circles? These are trees. Here's some trees. Can you find the water, boys and girls? Yeah, that's right over here. How about this dark gray? That would be a parking lot. Do you see any parking lots? I see one here, one over here, and there's a couple more. How about this? This is a store. Can you see any stores? I see a store right here. And lastly, a field. Do you see a field? Right here. Good job. Can you find everything on this map key? Boys and girls, can you find a house? Can you find a garage? How about a store? Can you find an office? Can you find a tree? How about a field? Good job. Maps are fun and helpful. What would you like to make a map of? Okay, boys and girls, you are going to get to map a classroom. You're going to follow the directions and use this key to make a map of this little boy named Henry, of his class. Okay, you don't have to worry about what our classroom looks like. You get to create your own. So as you can see, here's the teacher's easel. Right here, I believe, is the door. There's a sink and then some windows. This is what you're going to do. Here's the key. You will use a square to show a desk, a rectangle to show a table, a half circle to show a chair, and a circle to show a rug. Boys and girls, this is what Henry's class needs to have. 2 desks, 3 tables, 12 chairs, and 2 rugs. So you may use your pencil and you can follow the key and make sure that Henry's class has all of those things right here that I just read. Also make sure to do the quick check, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.